How to create new email account by using your mobile phone. Actually, we need email account because through this email account we can do lots of things, but we don't know how to create it. So if you really want to learn how to create new email account, that time you can see this video carefully, because in this video I'm going to show you easiest process for you. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for creating a new email account by using a mobile phone, you need to go to this application. This is actually best for creating Google account, which is Gmail. So let me click on Gmail, and after that let me click here profile icon, and you need to scroll down. If you have multiple email account, that time you will see in there add another account. Okay, so you need to click here add another account, and there you can see Google, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, everything. Actually email is a just username @ and a domain name. I mean, email can be Google account or Gmail account, and email can be Yahoo, Outlook, everything. Okay, so I need to create my email account through Google. Okay, so let me click here Google. You can choose either Yahoo or Hotmail also. So let me give my phone password, and after that let me click here create account, then click here for my personal use, or you can also choose for work or business. Okay, so let me choose the first one, and right now you need to choose a first name and surname. Surname is optional, so I need to choose my first name, suppose Ivan, and my surname is Austin, and after that let me click here next option. Then you need to choose your basic information, which is date of birth. So give your date of birth above 16, otherwise maybe you couldn't create your email account. Okay, so let me choose one random date of birth, so I choose this one, and after that let me choose here gender. So I'm male, so let me choose here male. So let me click here now next option, and it will automatically give a new email address in here, which is ivanaustin@gmail.com and austinivan@gmail.com. so you can pick any one of them, but if you don't choose it, that time you can create your own Gmail address. Just click here and you can create your own email. Okay, so I need to choose the second one, which is Ivan Austin. This is sweet for me, so let me choose this one, and then click on next option. And now I need to choose a strong password. So you just make sure give few letters, few numbers, some capital letter, and some symbol also. Okay, so let me give my password in here. So after giving my password, let me click on next option, and my account, you can see you can use this email address to sign in later also. Okay, so let me click here next option, then scroll down, then click here I agree, and my account already created. Okay, so let me click here this profile icon, and let me choose that email account. You can see in the bottom, this is my email account, Ivan Austin. So let me choose this one, and again go to there this profile icon, then choose here manage your Google account, and after that just wait for a few seconds, and you can see there are personal information and security and sign in. So what you need to do, you need to click here personal information, and right now just scroll down and you can give here your phone number, so that whenever you forget your password, that time you can easily recover that email account password by using your phone number. So you can give here your phone number. Okay, and you can do one more thing, which is security and sign in. So you can turn on two-step verification from there, so that no one can get your email account if he or she knows your password. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can create email account easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.